to make our homemade strawberry jam. This is going to be quick and easy, and we only need 3 main ingredients. First, we have our fresh strawberries that we just harvested from our garden. And second, we need sugar and then water. People usually put lemon or gelatin, but this time we won't use any of that. Now, we also have here the chopping board since we're gonna chop the strawberries. And then we also have our pot for boiling, and then our jar when we place the product, and our measuring cup. Let's start. Now here's our chopped strawberries. So look, once you see it's organic, it's already making a juice. See? We didn't put any water or anything, it was just washed, but when I chopped it and leave it for some time, it became like this, really. See, you can see it's the real juice from it. It's cool. Now, what we're going to do is to add sugar. So, since this is 800 grams, we also need to put an equal amount of 800 grams of sugar. And we have here a 200 grams measuring cup, so we will put 4 cups of this. Now we're going to mix it, and we will wait for some time until the sugar melts. If you're wondering why there's too much sugar, we will also put water, so it will balance the taste. It smells so good. Now we're going to transfer our strawberry with sugar to our pot. Now we're going to put water, 2 cups of water to our mixture. Now I'm going to mix it a little bit, and we will put it in our stove for boiling. And we need to make sure that we will stir it all the time when we are boiling. Now we're gonna make fire, and here's my husband making a fire for me. We need to do it outside because it's very hot now. Now we need to bring this to boil and stir all the time, consistently. The fire now is strong, and little by little we will adjust the fire. Now, look at the consistency. It's almost there. All the chunks are now dissolved. And someone is so patient here. Now it's ready! It's finished! Yay! Now we will test the consistency. But it's getting there. Oh, bravo, Daddy! Good job, Daddy! Oh! Okay, that's good. Yay! And it's yummy! What's the taste? Good?
Good. Good. Yummy.
Yeah! Now we're going to put our jam in the bottle. And it's still very, very hot.
Oh, here's a spoon.
I really like the consistency. Ooh, that's it. One. Whoa, bravo, Daddy.
Have our jam still hot. To turn it upside down, and we have our jam, our thickness. Tastes good.
Now, this is our final product. Yay!